In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a host on Airbnb. Whether you're planning your next getaway or just exploring future possibilities, reaching out to a host can provide clarity and confidence when booking. Let's dive right in and make this process smooth and simple. First, you'll want to head over to the Airbnb website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in airbnb.com. The homepage greets you with an inspiring array of travel options, each offering its own unique adventure. Now, before you proceed, make sure you log in. In the top right corner, there's a login button. Go ahead and click on it, entering the necessary details if prompted. This step ensures that you're ready to engage with hosts and manage your bookings seamlessly. Once you're logged in, it's time to find your ideal listing. Use the search bar at the top of the page. Here you'll input your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests you'll be traveling with. This search feature is extraordinarily powerful and will help you filter down a vast number of listings to those that suit your needs best. Scroll through the options and find one that resonates with your travel dreams. Clicking on a listing of interest will lead you to a more detailed page about the property. This is where you'll find the Contact Host or Message Host button, typically located just beneath the property description and photos. Clicking this opens a dialog box where you can begin your conversation with the host. When crafting your message, it's important to provide a little introduction about yourself. This not only creates a friendly atmosphere, but also helps the host better understand who they're talking to. Next, mention your travel dates and the reason for your visit. This information is crucial as it sets the context for any questions you might have. Speaking of questions, don't hesitate to ask specific queries about the property that might influence your decision to book. This could be related to amenities like Wi-Fi, parking availability, or the check-in time. Clarity at this stage can save misunderstandings and ensure the property meets your expectations. Once your message is drafted, it's time to send it. Simply click the Send button, usually found at the bottom of the message box. Now that your message is on its way, the host will receive a notification. Airbnb's messaging system is efficient, meaning you'll likely see a reply in your inbox soon. Navigating these steps with ease ensures you're well on your way to securing a booking that aligns perfectly with your desires. So, whether it's a cozy cabin in the mountains or a chic city apartment, thorough communication with your host can make all the difference in crafting a memorable trip. Thank you for watching and happy traveling.